Hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nenye, and on my channel we talk about self-care, beauty, lifestyle, self-development, DIYs, and every little thing in between. Basically, it's just my little corner where I'm sharing my life with you and every single thing I know with you. If this is your first time of coming across my channel or seeing my beautiful face, please do me well to subscribe because we're on a road to 1K subscribers, guys. So please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos to all of your friends and your families. Literally choke them and say, subscribe to Naya's channel. So guys, as the title of today's video says, do not choose to be ugly in 2024. I'm going to be giving you 5 low budget tips and tricks that you can use to stay clean, stay prim and proper, stay beautiful all through 2024 without breaking the bank. That's why it's called low budget. At this point, I feel like if you are looking unkept, if you are looking ugly, if you are looking, and when I say ugly, I don't mean by your facial features or anything. I just mean maybe you are not taking care of yourself, you are not showing off the best version of yourself. You chose to do that. Baby girl, you chose to do that to yourself because there are 1001 things that you can do on a low budget. So if for a student, for somebody who doesn't have like too much money to, splurge on beauty things, lashes, hair, whatever. Here are 5 things that you can do to stay high maintenance on a low budget, if that makes any sense. So the first thing, which is the most important of all of this, if you are on a budget, is to learn to do things by yourself. As you all know, I am a DIY queen. And being a DIY queen stems from the fact that I grew up with just sisters. We are all girls in my house. And if daddy is not around, we have to do things by ourselves. And when it even comes to beauty things like making our hair, helping each other polish our nails, helping each other straighten our hairs and all of those things, we always did them ourselves. And this is a very big shout out to all of my sisters, to 3 of my sisters. You guys made life so easy and you made life so beautiful for me. I love you guys. So number 1 is going to be to get false lashes. So I know that having your lashes done, especially in this present Lagos, Nigeria, is very expensive. So I have a video where I got like cluster lashes from Shein, and it was like $2, $1 or $2, which is approximately 2,000 naira, and you have like an entire set. I'm going to be leaving a video somewhere here, somewhere on the screen actually. You have an entire set that can last you months, because these cluster lashes, when you fix them and they fall off, for me, I always make sure that I pick them. They don't even fall off like everywhere, just like the normal lashes that you do at the lash tech place. They don't fall off like one. So because they are cluster lashes, when they drop off, you can see them and you can pick it up and keep, because they are very, very reusable. So I would advise that you buy these cluster lashes and DIY them. I have a very detailed video on how to fix your lashes yourself without breaking the bank. Guys, $2 for an entire cluster set is most definitely worth it. And you always wake up looking beautiful. You would always wake up, giving the I woke up like this vibe. So please get yourself a cluster lash and do it by yourself. So if you cannot order from Shein, by the way, Shein delivery is free if you buy to a certain amount. But if you cannot order on Shein, there is this company, Missmetics. I also did a video for Missmetics where, a cluster lash video, and they also have cluster lash here in Lagos, Nigeria. So you can buy from Missmetics if you cannot order all the way from Shein. Point number 2 is to simplify your skincare routine. I promise you that all of the long 10-step routines you're watching on TikTok is not for you if you're on a low budget. And besides, some of those creators get those products in PR packages. They get those products for free. And you, that is on a budget, you are going to watch those videos and you want to buy those products. Please do not waste your money on buying products that you most likely don't know if they are for your skin concerns. That's a different topic for another day. But For this topic, I'm going to say that you should simplify your skincare routine. If you are a corporate girly or you are a 9 to 5 girly, that you have limited time in the mornings, at night you come back, you're tired. Simplify your routine to 4 to 5 products at per time. You just have your face wash, your toner, your moisturizer, and your sunscreen. Whatever you do, do not skip sunscreens, because sunscreens, especially in Lagos, Nigeria, are very, 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 very important part of your skincare routine. So if you are on a budget like we're talking about, don't go for products that are very high end. You want to buy CeraVe, you want to buy all of those, I think it's called La Roche-Posay, all of those expensive products. Buy products like Simple, buy products like Dr. Rachel, buy products like, there's this new one that is coming up now, is Jumiso. Very effective yet affordable products that you can buy. Nivea also has a skincare line. My God, Nivea skincare line is very, very effective, and I so love their skincare products. So you can buy, I would always preach Nivea to you. I would always preach products that I have used that are very good, right? So you can buy Nivea skincare line. Their skincare line is very effective and it is very affordable. So if you are a student, if you are looking to do maintenance on a low budget, please and please do not be pressured by what you see on Instagram Reels and on TikTok, and buy products that are within your budget. They are very, very good products that are within your budget. I will try to leave pictures of very affordable products somewhere around in this video. Next point is, baby, do not go out with your nails looking crusty. Do not go out with your nails looking unkept. I have said this in my previous hygiene video, and I'm going to say it again. Make sure that your nails are always clean. And how do you do this on a low budget? By press-on nails. Look at somebody like Jackie Aina. I do not know if Jackie Aina has ever gotten acrylics done. She is always on press-on nails, and she always looks so damn good on those press-on nails. You may say, Anaya, you don't have nails on. I don't have nails on because I took out my acrylic nails like yesterday, the day before yesterday. But you can still see that my nails are very clean. I have nail polish on. There's no one chipped, no one nothing. My nails are clean and I still have nail polish on. If you know that going to the salon to get nail polish done may also be expensive, if you are a student, if you are working on a low budget, buy nail polish in your house. I have an entire basket of assorted colors of nail polish, and I have a hand dryer. I have everything. Like I said in the beginning of this video, the key is to do things by yourself. I always paint my nails by myself. For example, I took my acrylics out, but I didn't want my nails just looking there, so I painted this myself, right? So buy nail polish. I think they cost like 300 naira per bottle, and you will use that bottle for a very long time. It is your own. So buy nail polish, buy press-on nails. Point number 4, which I had already said in the beginning of this video, is learn to do things by yourself. And bringing it back is learn to do your hair by yourself. So anybody who knows me knows that I am a very, very, very huge DIY girl. Like, if there is anything that I can do by myself, I will do it, right? Although this does not remove the fact that sometimes I like to be pampered. Sometimes I want somebody else to just do these things while I relax and while I rest. But if it comes to my hair, I always try to do my hair myself when I can. And if you are on a budget, learn to do your hair by yourself. If you buy a curling one for maybe like 9,000, 10,000 naira, that curling one will serve you. Because if you go to the salon to get your hair curled every time, I don't know how much they charge in the salon, but if they're charging you like 20K per install or per styling, imagine how many times you have to style your hair compared to when you have the curling one at home. Do the math, girl. So having all of these tools or equipment by yourself at home helps you do your hair by yourself. You can watch TikTok videos, you can watch YouTube videos on how to curl your hair, how to straighten your hair, how to style your hair, and all of those things. And another very useful tip is get a hair that is very easy to maintain and that is very suitable for you. Two things. The hair is easy to maintain and the hair is very suitable for you. It can be a bob, because a bob, you just have to straighten it and you're on the go. It can be something like what I have on. For this one, I have had this hair for I think 2 years now, and all I have to do is pour water and put conditioner, and that is it, and I'm on the go. So once you put water and conditioner, I think it's called a curly beach wave, I don't know what it's called, but I know that once you have a hair like this, easy maintenance, and once I wear it like this, I'm good to go. So find a hair that is easy to maintain and that suits your style. Another very, very, very budget friendly hairstyle is a low bun. A low bun, a high bun, whatever kind of bun it is. Anybody who knows me knows that once I have my natural hair on, I'm a bun girl. Like, I even have videos. I'm going to put my videos up somewhere around where I would show you how to do a bun. Doing a bun is the easiest hairstyle anybody can do. And it is very chic, very girly, very classy, very low maintenance, yet high maintenance, in the sense that it takes just a gel and a hairbrush, right? But then at the end of the day, it gives you this extra classy look when styled properly. So you can do a bun, a high bun. If you want like extra, you can add extensions to it. Put baby hair, like you can just freestyle your bun. You can add bangs if you want with your natural hair. And all of these things are low maintenance, are low budget, high maintenance things you can do to stay on a budget this year. Point number 5 is get yourself a go-to makeup look. And when I say get yourself a go-to makeup look, for me, this is my go-to makeup look. It's easy to do. I do this in 10 minutes. I have a video where I did this in literally 10 minutes. I do this in 10 minutes. I just have a little bit of foundation, concealer, my lip gloss, my lip liner, my eyebrows done. I don't know how to apply. Like, I'm still learning how to do my makeup, right? Where I have like blush, contour, eyeshadow. I don't even know how to do eyeshadow. So I just do like this, my easy go-to makeup, and it comes out really, really good. So what you have to do is find a perfect foundation match, find a perfect nude lip gloss, nude lip stain. I used the set from Zickel, and I think I got it for 7,000 naira, and it was like a set of 5. So you have like options on different kind of nudes to use. I will leave a video of that particular lip gloss here. So just make sure that you have a go-to makeup routine that is very easy, especially if you're a student or you are a corporate girly, who has less time to paint or less time to sit down and do like an entire face beat. Just keep it simple and keep it moving, right? For me, this is my easy go-to makeup look. Very simple, and I keep it moving. And doing this on a budget is, you don't have to start looking for how to break the bank to buy Fenty or to buy NARS or to buy, all of those expensive products. Start from what you have available. There are makeup brands that are very, very affordable and you can still get very good quality out of. For me, I use Beauty by AD. Beauty by AD foundation is very good, and her foundation is also quite affordable. You can buy, I use MAC, but I'm trying to think of another. You can buy Zickel. You can buy Younger Beauty. You can buy Nuban. I use Younger Beauty concealers. They are the best. Like, there are a whole lot of makeup brands that you can buy that you would not have to break the bank to buy. You will still buy them on a budget, and they're still very, very, very useful and very, very effective. Let me know if you want more of these tips in the comment section, and let me know what you agree on, what you disagree on. Let's talk about it in the comment section. Do remember to like, comment, and please subscribe to my channel because we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.